morning. Welcome back.
Tinodo na natin yung pagka-90s today.
Ay, naalala ko yung nag-song number 8.
Ay, naman. Highlight.
Diba?
Sobrang legendary ng araw na to. Sabi ni Sir Top Karina at ini-intro ka, narinig ko, sabi niya, wow.
Diba? Sabi sa'yo
Oo, eto, unahin na natin. Bakit naman farewell ko? Grabe naman
Ito
yung
nung-
farewell concert. Yung puso namin naman na
Totoo. Nakwento niya na ito nung anniversary pa lang. Kinukwento mo na. Pero kwento natin yung mga kapatid natin. Ano ba yung story dito sa desisyon mong to?
Yes
Yan.
po. So, my family and I decided not to move to the Netherlands because my husband and my children, they're Dutch. So, ako lang yung Pinay. So, I think it's time kasi to move kasi my children are growing up na. So, while they're still young.
Ilan taon ng mga kids? As in,
I have a 16-year-old, 13 and 7.
lumalabas na yung mga boses.
Saan mo ba nilabas yan, mama?
Pero ano yung thought process mo din sa pagdesisyon na, sige, it's about time? Kasi mahirap yun na lalo
It's a
ikaw.
huge,
Oo eh.
decision.
May career ka pa rin eh.
Medyo mahirap siyang ikwento. Pero when I got married naman with Danny, naisip ko na yan at the back of my head, no, there will be a season that we have to really move na. We're just praying na when is the right time. And nung that time, parang hindi pa namin ma-feel. Pero ngayon, like 2 years ago, yun, we started praying about it and then, yeah. I don't know, like, syempre, I'm just waiting for my husband to say, like, it's time.
Miss Asel, I'm
May
sure,
peace na.
lalo na yung mga fans mo, no, now that you're gonna move to Netherlands, are you still gonna be making music habang nasa Netherlands ka? Ano pwede nilang i-expect while you're there?
I think I'm still gonna create and make music. But of course, syempre di na ako pwede pabalik-balik. And I don't like flying. I don't like flying. So that's why mag-farewell ako kasi I don't think I'm gonna be coming back. Unless if meron sa family ko that I have to go back home.
Kaya may pa-album launch ka muna.
Yeah.
bago-
Kaya
bago
album
may
launching! Yun! Farewell, pero may album. Alam mo, Asel, ha? Pero hindi, i-point out ko lang kasi, Joss, na sinabi ni Asel kanina, ang salitang ginamit niya, Mama, ay may season. At ang season ay nag-iiba. Kaya ang mga puso ng mga fans sa kagaya namin, syempre hoping and praying. Pero naiintindihan namin yan. Kasi pag fan ka ng isang tao, gusto mo rin silang makita na to live their lives talaga as a
Masaya.
mom, as a
Pero
wife.
naiintindihan ko rin yung takot niya sa paglipad. Meron, nakwento, paliwanag mo kung saan nanggagaling yung takot na yun sa paglipad, Asel.
Yung tenga ko.
Bakit?
Yung nagpa-pop.
Sorry, hindi na pa nagpa. Paragi ako na emergency room.
Talaga?
And for a singer, mahalaga yun. Yung lipad din eh.
Hindi pwedeng mawala ang nabibingi ako. It will take me like parang a month na bingi.
Asel, ako talaga, naiintindihan kita kasi ako naman, bingi ako talaga eh. Kaya malakas din ako magsalita. Pero Asel, album, yung album. Yes, yung album, please, i-promote natin because I'm sure a lot of fans like ourselves would want to hear.
Yeah, so yung album launching na yon is on October 11 and also the farewell concert. So 2 events siya. And it will be released also that day. So first time nilang maririnig yung mga songs on that concert. October 11 sa Teatrino. So please do get your tickets. Just call Teatrino and also Helix Pay Asel Concert.
Kumbaga may pabaon si Asel.
Parang hello na, goodbye. Parang hello, love,
Love,
goodbye.
goodbye.
Pero after ilang years, di ba, nag-hello, love again. Mga kapatid, Dimples Romana po, kumpletuhin ang inyong umaga ng mga kwentong puno ng inspirasyon. Salubungin po ang bawat araw ng may ngiti at pag-asa. Kaya't mag-subscribe na po at mag-follow na sa aming social media pages ng News 5.